Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress website. First, you'll need to pick a good hosting service and a domain name. Think of hosting as your website's home on the internet and the domain as its address. Many hosts offer one-click WordPress installation, making setup super simple. After that, you'll choose a theme to give your site its initial look and feel. Once WordPress is installed, head to your dashboard. Here, you can adjust general settings like your site's title and a short tagline. Next, you'll want to add some key plugins. These are like apps for your website, enhancing security, SEO, and other features. Don't forget to create important pages, like an About Us page and a Contact page, to provide visitors with crucial information. Now for the fun part, customization. Your theme will have options to change colors, fonts, and the overall layout to match your vision. Start adding your unique content, whether it's blog posts, product descriptions, or portfolio pieces. Remember to use high-quality images and videos to make your site visually appealing. Organizing your content with categories and tags helps visitors find what they need easily. Before you hit publish, thoroughly review everything. Check for typos, broken links, and ensure all forms work correctly. Test your site on different devices to confirm it looks great everywhere. After launch, ongoing maintenance is crucial. Regularly back up your site and keep WordPress, themes, and plugins updated for security. And hey, if you're looking for a fresh scent for your ride, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.